Hello, I'm Joe Hren. The Indiana University Board of Trustees approved an average 3% raise for IU faculty and staff. WTIU's Ben Skirvin reports.
In a meeting on the campus of IUPUI, trustees voted unanimously to approve the measure, which would give power to department chairs to set wage increases within their department. Indiana University President Michael McRobbie says the funds needed to make up the pay raise represent a small part of the budget.
These things aren't done without a lot of work, and they're not easy to do. But remember, we're an organization with a total budget of about nearly $3 billion. So we need to find additional savings of about just over $12 million. I don't think that is going to be beyond us.
Under the new measure, department chairs will submit wage recommendations to the President's office. Those recommendations would then be finalized by President McRobbie. IU Chief Financial Officer Neil Thiebold says the funds come from savings in university purchasing and general reserve funds. For WTIU News, I'm Ben Skirvin.
Indiana Department of Health officials say there is no evidence that any eggs in the state are involved in a nationwide recall. Even so, department leaders say any eggs in Indiana refrigerators should be checked. The recall is because of possible salmonella contamination. The egg cartons contain processing dates ranging from 136 to 223 and plant numbers 1026, 1413, and 1946, which can be found on the side of the carton. Well, this weekend you can help save the environment while saving some money on secondhand household goods. WTIU's Dan Goldblatt has more on the Hoosier to Hoosier program.
Program volunteers have been collecting used electronics, furniture, clothes, appliances, and other assorted household goods for the past several weeks from students and residents here in Bloomington as they have been moving out of their apartments. Tomorrow, the items will go on sale to the general public and a benefit to local charities. Volunteer Tom Evans has been helping with the sorting and cleaning of the items.
A lot of students who basically have a tremendous amount of material they're not able to take with them when they leave town in the spring. And so a lot of that gets put at the streets or on the dumpsters, and so this is a way to try to recapture some of that material.
In addition to functional household items, the program has also been collecting non-working appliances to be safely recycled.
Some of these things are electronics where there's different kinds of metals and materials that really should be recycled or captured and not put into a landfill.
The sale begins at 7:30 a.m. at Memorial Stadium. Admission is $5 before 9 a.m. and then free after that. Proceeds of the sale go to Hoosier Hills Food Bank, United Way, and Habitat for Humanity. Checking the weather forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, lows around 70, and then tomorrow, mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of thunderstorms, highs in the lower 90s. For WTIU News, I'm Joe Hren.